How do I? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a simple and effective way to clean your dishes without harsh chemicals, all-natural homemade dishwasher detergent. This dishwasher detergent is made with all-natural ingredients that you can easily find at your local health food store or online, and it's safe for both you and the environment. Let's get started. To make your all-natural homemade dishwasher detergent, you'll need a few simple ingredients such as baking soda, white vinegar, and citric acid. In a bowl, mix together baking soda, white vinegar, and citric acid. Mix until the ingredients are well combined. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place. To use the detergent, simply add a spoonful of the mixture to the dishwasher's detergent compartment and run your dishwasher as usual. Your dishes will come out clean and fresh, without any harsh chemicals. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to clean your dishes without harsh chemicals. This all-natural homemade dishwasher detergent is safe and eco-friendly, and it's also customizable, so you can find the scent that works best for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural living tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cleaning. Thanks for watching How Do I?